Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Today is the 21st of August, and let's talk Luna Classic, Terra Luna Classic. What is happening on that bad boy? Well, the community passed the proposal, submitted a proposal to burn the entire 800 million USTC. In light of this consensus, signatories are urged to take action by sending the funds to the designated burn address. So this proposal is passed. So apparently 800 million USDC have been burned, which is good stuff. Lowering the number of USDC and Luna Classic tokens is the way to go. Hopefully this happens faster than later. The faster we can do it, the better, right? In DDO. Yeah, okay. What else is happening here? What else is happening? There is a SEC in South Korea are tag teaming against Terra Labs. Here is why. The reason why I think this is good, it's not so great, I guess, for Terra, but I think it's good for Terra Luna Classic, because hopefully that maybe some of the people who have been cowed into moving over to Terra will now see the light and possibly return back to Terra Classic, as well as the dApps and developers that have moved over to Terra, to the Terra blockchain after the collapse of Terra Luna, which is now Terra Luna Classic. They migrated over to the new Terra 2.0 blockchain, which hopefully will lead them to move their butts back to Terra Luna Classic. And so I guess the more FUD comes out in relation to Terra 2.0, I think the better it is for Terra Luna Classic. But the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has doubled its investigation efforts on Terra Labs for teaming up with the South Korean government to gather more evidence into Terraform Labs operations. SEC in South Korea against Terraform Labs. So they're planning on investigating the question Daniel Shin, the Terraform Labs co-founder, who apparently until this time has not been questioned. The decision is to align with South Korea follows a recent report by Bloomberg, which highlighted the SEC's intention to gather valuable evidence from Chai Corp, a South Korean financial services company owned by Shin. Shin founded Chai Corp in early 2019 and has been in a mutual relationship with Terraform Labs for some time, sharing resources, data, and other facilities. But increasingly, the two organizations terminated their relationship in 2020, and the reason for this dissociation has become an important part of the SEC's investigation. So hopefully they're going to dig into it and find out what the reason was for why they split up. In 2022, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Terra Lab former CEO and co-founder Terraform. Yes, we know all that. So hopefully that'll bring some light to what is happening. Happy Catty Crypto on Twitter is very active in the Luna Classic circles, and I don't know where this came from, but the proposal is to include, for Binance to include a burn Luna Classics button. So I guess whenever you trade or sell or whatever, you would have the option to click this, and that would send 1 USDT of Terra Luna Classic into the burn mechanism on Binance. Whether that's going to pass or not, highly unlikely. There are reposts and likes. Let's see comments here. Yeah, these are all just people with a lot of hopium on their shoulders, but obviously CZ is probably not going to take this too seriously, so I doubt that this is going to pass as expected. Another post by, what was this here? Classy. I definitely did not just dump my entire Luna Classic bag. If anybody asks, OXDAO did it apparently. This is undeniable proof that OXDAO, formerly known as Luna Classics DAO, is trying to take over Luna Classic by dumping the price. There's a lot of drama on the Luna Classic sphere, which is causing a lot of mistrust, and it's probably not very good for the reputation. So this is something that we're going to have to be dealing with, and it's going to take a long time for the project to be resuscitated. Terra Luna Classic right now, let's have a look here. Where's Luna Classic? Right there, USDT. Right now it's trading at 6.7. It dumped as low as 5.02. If you scooped up some Luna Classic around this time, congratulations on your gains. Whether it's going to continue downwards, the entire market is in the red right now. So so fret not, don't fret. It's not just Luna Classic dumping, it's the market dumping, which is not looking too great. So don't fear not. There are still people who are active on the blockchain and still trying to revive it. So hopefully that's going to pass here. There's an article from 3 days ago. Terra Luna Classic News, Terra Luna Classic's vision for revival and better governance. Terra Luna Classic community member Happy Caddy Crypto and Strathco have proposed a united vision for the revival of the chain. It lays out ideas and proposals for the chain, as well as invites developers, community members, validators, and stakeholders for sharing the future of Terra Classic amid rising FUD and massive drop in Luna Classic and USD prices. The FUD comes from the drama that is staged here by people like what's his name, Classy. Where is that dude? This good guy here, yeah, Classy. So this is the FUD, and obviously this is what's happening. But Happy Caddy Crypto, he's doing a lot of work. So support him if you can. Let's support the Luna Classic chain as much as we possibly can and hope for the best. Also, make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Luna Classic updates. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.